Best electronic drum sets. Number 3. Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit Electronic Drum Set. At Alesis Drums, they know that feel and natural response is a must-have for an immersive, expressive drumming experience. Introducing the Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit, an addition to Alesis all-mesh kit roster that delivers the most realistic playing experience modern drummers demand. The Nitro Mesh Kit is a complete 8-piece electronic drum set featuring Alesis next-generation mesh head drum technology, the unanimous preference of electronic drummers for their natural feel and ultra-quiet response, ideal for late-night practice sessions and privately honing your drum skills. Pros. Comes with 60 play-along tracks, sequencer, metronome, recorder, and auxiliary input. Patented mesh drum heads provide quiet, realistic feel. Includes 8-inch dual-zone snare pad and 3 8-inch tom pads. Also features 8-inch kick drum and 10-inch ride cymbal, hi-hat cymbal, and crash cymbal with choke. Other pedals, accessories, and rack included. Cons. The hi-hat cymbal is not very responsive, and other features are relatively quiet when used with headphones. Bottom line. Mesh pads give this drum set an authentic acoustic feel. It's a good choice for beginners, for practice, or for building your skills. Number 2. Pyle Electronic Drum Set Pad. Tom-toms, hi-hat, snare drums, crash and ride cymbals and tons of more sounds. Effectively reproduces complete drum set sounds. Hi-hat and bass drum pedals. Tempo, beat, rhythm, EQ, volume and adjustment tools are integrated in this model. Foot pedal controllers are a key part for big drummers, so they are also induced with this model. Having more than 100 sound in one device feels great, knowing it is not necessary to carry other instruments and extra weight. Pros. A 7-pad and 2-foot pedal kit containing over 100 sounds in an easy-to-use interface. Large LED digital display shows information. Includes a built-in drum trainer for beginners to play along and practice to. Can be powered using 6C batteries. Cons. Some users find the foot pedals to be on the flimsy side. Bottom line. Compact and portable drum pad set. Great for the beginner and intermediate player alike. A useful rehearsal tool with recording function and USB out to connect to your computer. Number 1. Roland TD11 KVS V Compact Series Electronic Drum Set. Compact and affordable V drums, powered by supernatural sound. Enhanced with supernatural technology, the TD11V Drums V Compact Series brings a more natural and realistic playing experience to drummers of any skill level and budget. Affordable and easy to use, these new electronic kits are perfect for a variety of applications, including practice, teaching, recording, live performance, and more. Pros. The interface features a large LCD display, with simple controls to access the drum sample you need. Easily allocate different sounds to a drum head to build your own kit or use preset kits. Can connect to a digital audio workstation via USB. Cons. Some users say the hi-hat pad isn't sensitive enough for their playing style. Bottom line. A high-performance electronic drum set. Mesh drum heads give a natural feel and velocity when playing, with a massive sound library with easy customizable settings. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.